Have you heard of Doodle videos? Doodle animation videos are the animation videos that consist of a moving hand that writes or sketches on a whiteboard, blackboard, or glassboard, explaining different things. These videos may or may not have an associated voiceover. Doodle videos are the new trend in the world of marketing. They are engaging and fun to watch. As you may already know, the human attention span is diminishing day by day. And that's why Doodle animation videos are the best way to grab the attention of your audience. Doodle videos make you stand out from the crowd and create an effective impact on your viewers. But creating Doodle videos the conventional way is difficult. It may require hours of work, professional animation skills, and a number of people working together. But what if you don't have all these? What if you are a small business owner and you want to create an explainer video, but don't have a huge budget for it? Don't worry. There is still hope. We are going to show you how to create amazing Doodle animation videos within minutes that look professional and which don't require you to have any special skill or spend hundreds of dollars. Best of all, you can do all this by yourself, staying at home. All you need is a computer or laptop and an internet connection.
Ever wish you could create awesome animated Doodle explainer videos, just like high-end agencies and studios? Did you know it would cost you $300 to $500 to create a 30-second Doodle video if you hire an expert? It can be time-consuming, frustrating, and expensive to create a professional color Doodle explainer video. Today, we are going to cut through the clutter and solve all that. Say hello to Doodle Maker app. The first of its kind artificial intelligence-powered Doodle Maker app that actually creates a full-length explainer video by just copy and pasting text or a YouTube URL. You can even customize one of the 300-plus templates in a variety of industries with professional voiceovers to get started right away. The possibilities are endless, and with the largest Doodle assets library online included, and the fact that you can import any photo and convert it into a Doodle video, you will never run out of ideas. The best part? Commercial license is included, so you can sell the videos online and offline for hefty margins. You also get unlimited access to the biggest text-to-speech engine, with 60-plus languages and 160-plus voices, which allow you to translate your videos into virtually any language, opening new opportunities around the globe. Completely untapped markets are now accessible with Doodle Maker.
Let's get started. To create our Doodle video, we are going to use a software called Doodle Maker. Doodle Maker is a cloud-based Doodle video creator tool, using which we can create whiteboard, blackboard, green board and glassboard animation videos, with few simple clicks. It isn't a free software, but isn't costly either. You can get it for a one-time payment of which gives you lifetime access to the software. You can create unlimited videos with this license, and can also sell your videos to clients and make money with it. Once you have gotten access to the Doodle Maker software, it is time to create your first Doodle video. Before we proceed further and start creating the video, we need to have a script ready for our video. You can write the script yourself or take the help of an AI content generator that will create a video script for you in no time. But AI content generators will cost you money. So if you are on a limited budget, please write the script yourself. Once our video script is ready, we can move on to the next step. Now, you need to record a voiceover of the script you just created. If you want to use only background music in the video, without a voiceover, you can skip this step. There is also an option to generate a text-to-speech voiceover inside Doodle Maker. Once that is sorted out, we can move on to the next step and start creating our Doodle video. To continue further, we need to log into our Doodle Maker dashboard. The dashboard inside looks like this. There is the welcome video in the center, the controls panel on the left, and the Create Project button on the top. All your created projects can be accessed from the Your Projects section on the left. To create a new Doodle animation video, let's click on the Create Project button. Now, there are 3 ways to create a Doodle video inside Doodle Maker. The first method is to create a Doodle video from one of the hundreds of pre-made video templates available inside Doodle Maker. There are templates from a variety of niches and markets, available both in male and female voices. Also, these templates are available in the Whiteboard, Blackboard, and Glassboard style Doodle animations. The second method is to create a video from scratch. And the third one is to use any existing video and turn it into a different language video, using the AI video translation engine. For this demonstration, we will create a video from scratch. Let's click on the New Project from Scratch button to continue. Let's give a title to our video. Now here, if you already have the voiceover ready, then you can check this box. If you want to add the script and want the Doodle Maker to create a text-to-speech voiceover from that, enter your script here. As we already have a voiceover ready, we are going to check this box. Now on the right side, there are settings that we can customize. We can choose the video background, choose the background music, the type of hand, and the icons from here. Once we save the project, we will be taken to the next section, which is slide number 1 of our video. Now, the first thing to notice here is the voice section on the right top corner. You can upload your voiceover file here. If you want to record your voice, you can do that from here. If you want to choose the text-to-speech voice, select this option. For text-to-speech, we will need to enter the text here and save it. There are a number of voices available for you to choose from, in different accents, in both male and female voices. We can also adjust the speed of the voiceover. Based on the script and the voiceover, we can now start adding different elements to our slide. All the different elements are on the right lower corner of your dashboard. We can add the text, images, icons, and more from here. We can also customize the scene transition animations. There is also an option to set the slide delay to make the animation sync with the voiceover. We can also upload our own media assets from the library section. To add an element to the slide, just click on the element and it will be automatically added to the scene. On the slide, we can drag and place the element wherever we want. We can also resize it. If we are using one of the icons from inside Doodle Maker, we can also change the color of that icon. We can also make the picture or the text to stay till the end of the slide or disappear at a specific time. That can be adjusted from the timeline settings. The type of animation for a particular element can be customized from the Transitions section below. The duration of the animation can also be adjusted. There is also an option to place an element on top or bottom of the other elements. In the same way, you can add more texts, images, and icons to your slide and customize them. Once a slide is completed, you can add more scenes to the video from here. You can preview your video from here. You can also add background music and watermark to your video from here. Once your video is ready, you can click on the render button to export the video. We can export the video in either HD or Full HD formats. You can check out the sample video we created for this demo at the end of this video. All this information is in the description below. I will see you in the next video.